so definitely improving. And things are improving here too. Live look here at the Garden State Parkway near 78 near the Garden State.
Very impressive. If you'd like, maybe sometime you could come to our temple and train with us. Perhaps this weekend.
Hold on. I've got a lot on my plate. Let me check the old sketch. Oh, got a date with Carol Friday night. I can move that to Wednesday and then bounce Donna to Thursday. The twins. What am I going to do with the twins?
Rudy, that's a pizza menu.
Okay, I'm in. This is officially the coolest place I've ever been. We get that a lot.
We knew this was our home when we broke ground with a pickaxe and sparked the eternal flame that's burned ever since.
What happens if it rains?
Steel burns.
But what about strong winds?
Steel burns.
How about if it were to be...
What are you not getting about steel burns? Yo, I'm feeling a little gassy. I wonder what would happen if I don't even think about it. All right, Jack. Y'all save up for a really big one. Our Grandmaster meditates here alone every night. When the light of the moon dances upon the peacock's tear. Around 9-ish.
That is Zamlu, guardian of the temple, and next in line behind the Grand Master to control its destiny. By willing his mind, a Shaolin warrior can make his body withstand any force that comes against it.
Dude, that was incredible.
You should consider yourselves lucky. Very rarely do we allow outsiders within our sacred walls.
Well,